Yesterday, gold has created a bearish candle, but we can see that the price has tried to move up and down because of these wicks on the upper side, where the price has reached a 2525.80 a resistance level, then bounces back down, and we can see the price try to move also down, where 2500.63 was the lowest point where the price has gone. Now for the candle of the yesterday, we can see it is a bearish candle with a smaller body, where the price did not close above a very important resistance level and did not close below a very important support level. So this is an indication that the price could not find its way out very clearly. So the bulls and also the sellers who are waiting here at the supply zone are pushing their ways. So the price still needs to find the way out from this area, which is holding the price for several days. And we can see that here, where the price is jumping up and down, but the wicks on the lower side and also the wick on the upper side, where 2525.80 our resistance level is very important, and the support 2474.19. Now, based on the market overview, how this looks, we can see that in the last 2 days, since yesterday, the price is forming two bullish candles, and currently we have a bearish candle. This is currently just information for me that the price is still finding its way out to go up, not going down, because of this momentum, which is much more clearly visible. It is a bullish than it is a bearish sentiment. Now for the price, it's still important to see when the price will make a bullish breakout very clean above and continue to rise in value, especially 2525.80 is a very important resistance level. After that, we can see that 2550.00 is the next resistance at supply zone where the price is heading. Now, 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame is a very important support and the resistance levels on the smaller time frames, which are showing what is the current status of the price, where the price will go and when the breakout could happen, in which direction. Because the price always can change its direction and also can change to move down instead of being a bullish sentiment, right? It is what is currently visible on the chart, but it can also return back down, reaching again to 474.19. There are several levels that are very important inside 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame that needs to be watched in order to determine where the price is going next, especially during the day. So for that, if you would like to check, feel free to check the Telegram. Link will be below in the description. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.